Right now, local organizations are stepping up to help their clients and community members who are too scared to leave their homes.
And we're talking about help with things like access to food and even health care. WCNC Charlotte's Bria Smith live now outside of the nonprofit organization Camino, that's in Northeast Charlotte. And Bria, what are some of the ways the group is helping?
Yeah, Jane and Nick, Camino Clinic is using telehealth to make sure that patients do have access to health care. And since last Friday, there have been a total of 24 canceled appointments between dental and medical due to that fear of Border Patrol.
People are canceling their appointments. They're not showing up. And the fear has imprisoned so many families.
CEO of Camino, Rusty Price, says when his team noticed cancellations piling up, they had to do something.
What we've decided to do is anybody that has an appointment, we're going to call them. We're going to reach out, and we can do telehealth, and they don't have to get out of the house. They don't have to risk, or at least a perception of risk, coming here, and we can still help them.
Price says he knows the importance of health care for everyone, especially those with life-threatening conditions. He tells me it's why they've turned to telehealth.
So if somebody is a diabetic and they don't get their medicines and they're not taking care of themselves, especially in a high-stress environment, then they could get into a crisis soon.
It's not just their medical and dental clinic seeing low turnout. Price says its food service and church services are also not seeing as many people show up.
Many of the people that we serve are not undocumented, and yet they're scared to death right now. They don't want to have to be, they're afraid of being picked up and then having to prove that they're here legally. So all of that fear's changing people's behavior around the health, we have food services too. We distribute food through our pantry, and again, no shows.
Now, for any patients who have canceled appointments, the clinic will reach out to schedule your virtual visits. And coming up at 5:30, we'll share how more organizations are stepping up to help out. For now, live in Charlotte, Bria Smith, WCNC Charlotte.
A lot of resources out there.
Yeah, there are. All right, thank you, Bria.